Welcome to Buyer's Favorites. Black Friday is here, and Target's deals are more exciting than ever. From huge savings on kitchen must-haves to unbeatable discounts on tech and gadgets, this is the sale you've been waiting for. We've dug through Target's Black Friday sale to bring you the top 15 deals you just can't miss. Find all the links in the description to grab these incredible deals before they're gone. Deal 1. Cuisinart 7 Cups 350-watt Core Food Processor. This deal brings the price down to $79 from $99, saving you $20. This food processor is a true kitchen essential, helping with chopping, slicing, and shredding so you can tackle meal prep faster and more efficiently. It's perfect for home chefs who enjoy fresh ingredients without the hassle of manual prep work. Deal 2. Ninja Foodi Pressure Cooker and Air Fryer. Now available for $119, down from $169, saving you $50. This 2-in-1 appliance combines pressure cooking and air frying, giving you endless possibilities for healthy meals. It's ideal for anyone looking to save time in the kitchen while enjoying delicious, crispy results. Deal 3. Blink Outdoor 4. At just $39, down from $99, you save $60 on this security camera. With HD video and weather resistance, it's built for reliable outdoor surveillance. Keep an eye on your property day or night with peace of mind at a fantastic price. Deal 4. Whisker Litter Robot 4-Core Bundle, priced at $749, down from $799, saving you $50. This automatic litter box is perfect for cat owners who want convenience and cleanliness. It's self-cleaning, reduces odors, and is a game changer for pet parents. Deal 5. Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro. Now $149, down from $159, saving you $10. This blender is perfect for smoothies, soups, and more, with automatic speed detection for the perfect blend. A must-have for health-conscious individuals who enjoy quick, nutritious drinks. Deal 6. Panasonic Home Chef 4-in-1 Microwave. Just $419, down from $499, saving you $80. This microwave lets you bake, air fry, broil, and microwave, making it incredibly versatile. Ideal for those with small spaces who need multiple cooking options in one appliance. Deal 7. Epson XP7100 Printer. Available for $129, down from $239, saving you $110. This all-in-one printer is perfect for printing, scanning, and copying with high-quality results. It's a great choice for home offices or students who need reliable printing at a bargain. Deal 8. Amazfit Balance Smartwatch, priced at $169, down from $179, saving you $10. Track your health, sleep, and workouts with this stylish smartwatch that offers long battery life. Perfect for fitness enthusiasts who want advanced tracking without breaking the bank. Deal 9. Ninja Double Stack XL 6-in-1 Air Fryer. Now $219, down from $249, saving you $30. With 2 cooking baskets, it's perfect for cooking multiple dishes at once, giving you flexibility. Ideal for families or meal preppers looking to save time and cook healthier. Deal 10. Amazon Fire Max 11 11-inch 64GB tablet, priced at $139, down from $229, saving you $90. This tablet is great for streaming, gaming, and staying connected on the go. With a high-res screen and ample storage, it's a fantastic choice for all-around entertainment. Deal 11. Logitech G733 Wireless Gaming Headset. Available for $109, down from $149, saving you $40. This headset offers immersive sound, comfortable design, and long battery life for gaming. Perfect for anyone wanting to elevate their gaming experience. Deal 12. Nespresso VirtuoPro Pop Plus, now just $99, down from $129, saving you $30. This compact coffee maker brews rich, barista-quality coffee effortlessly. It's a great gift for coffee lovers who want convenience without sacrificing taste. Deal 13. Google Nest Cam, priced at $79, down from $99, saving you $20. This indoor security camera provides HD video and two-way audio, ideal for monitoring your home. Stay connected and secure with this user-friendly and affordable home safety option. Deal 14. Ember Mug 2 Temperature Control Smart Mug, now $103, down from $129, saving you $26. Keep your coffee or tea at the perfect temperature with this smart mug, a great gift for anyone who loves to savor their drinks without them going cold. Deal 15. Jackery Solar Generator 100 Plus, priced at $89, down from $129, saving you $40. This portable solar generator is perfect for camping, outdoor adventures, or emergencies. Provides reliable power on the go, making it an essential for travelers. And there you have it, the top 15 Target Black Friday deals for 2024 that you absolutely need to check out. These prices won't last long, so grab your favorites while you can. Links to all these deals are in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on the best deals all year long. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.